How are you? Okay, I'm Radha, your science teacher from Dr. B. Singh English Medium School. Already, lesson number 1, we have discussed some topics, isn't it? Food, our fuels. In the food is divided into different components. In that components means carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and along with that we have discussed about the water also, isn't it? In the last classes we have discussed about that. Means along with these things, water is also essential. It is also very important for us, isn't it? If you are taking all these 4 items but you are not taking the water content, then it will be completed? No, isn't it? If you are taking the water in a proper content, it helps us for the proper digestion, isn't it? It helps us for the proper digestion and everything can be worked properly. In the last class also I have discussed about the water only, isn't it? Here you can observe in the textbook. Are you ready with your textbook? Studio? Children, are you ready with your studio book? And in this class you should also ready with your companion book also. Be ready with your companion book. Okay, notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, everything keep with you. Okay, see here. Take that studio book, page number 11. Everyone, once I want to revise about the water here. See here. Everyone, refreshes us means when you are taking the water, it's refresh our brain and everything in our body and keeps our eyes moisture. Means here, if you are taking the water in a proper content, means you can observe here that eyes will be moisture. You can observe in our eyes some water content will be there, isn't it? Means you have to take a proper content of water. Okay, next one is keeps our skins healthy. Keeps our skins healthy. Okay, did you understand? It keeps our skin healthy. When you are taking in a proper content, it keeps your skin healthy. And the next one, it's also that it improves the digestion of our food. Along with the food, you have to take water also. Then it will improve the digestion. Means your food will be digested properly, then you won't get any problem for that, and helps our body to absorb the nutrients. It helps us to observe why we are taking the food for the nutrition or not. Means if you are taking the food, you are not taking the water, then who will observe that this water helps that food to digest properly. Then only it can observe. With the help of the water, it can take, the body parts will take that all the nutrients. Okay, and with the help of the water only, it will distribute the nutrients also. Okay, and the next one here keeps our kidneys healthy. One more thing, water is very important. I said now if you are taking a proper amount of water content, then it keeps our kidneys also healthy. Did you understand? In the last class also I have discussed this. And the last one keeps our bones and muscles work well, isn't it? In the last point you can see here, helps our bones and muscles work well. Okay, means if you are taking correct quantity of water, then our muscles and bones also be strong, isn't it? And healthy. Okay, the next one. Now here the last they have given, they are asking. See here everyone, in the companion book you can see, take your companion book also. I will read it here and I will tell you. See here, find out how much water is present in different fruits and vegetables by performing a simple experiment. Now we have discussed about the water. Daily we are taking the fruits and vegetables, and now they are asking, fruits are having a water content more or vegetable are having a water content more. But how we can do? Now we have to do the simple experiment. Okay, are you ready? Myself also. Bring your companion books, children, everyone. This is the companion book, already I said for you. Open your companion book. See here page number 1. Everyone. Page number 1. See here. Physics. Now I will read, then I will write on the board. You can copy and you can see in your book also. See, calculate the water content in fruits and vegetables. For what purpose we are doing this experiment? To calculate the water content. Means you have to see that which vegetables are having a more or fruits are having a more water content. Okay, now see here, I want to read the fruits and vegetables we eat contributed to our daily water intake. Means not only when you are having your food, you are drinking the water. Along with that, when you are taking the food, when you are taking the fruits and vegetables, madam, vegetables we are not eating the raw content, you will tell, isn't it? Tomato you will eat or not? It is a vegetable, isn't it? Vegetable come fruit. And carrot also, when you are eating, some water content will be there. Is it that you have to in daily life, when you are having your food, you are drinking the water. Along with that, you will take water in the fruits and vegetables also. That we should have to check it out. But what amount, how much amount you are taking the water. Okay, find out how much water that contain by performing a simple experiment. Now we are going to perform a simple experiment. Now you have to read all this. I will write on the board while I am reading. You have to note down in your notebook. Okay, are you ready? Right. These things we need to do the experiment. Now I will write on the board. Okay. First one. Weighing balance. First one, weighing balance. The next one, knife. A cutting board. I will show you all these things again for you. A thin cloth, maybe kerchief, no problem. You can take the kerchief also. Okay. The next one, a white paper or A4 sheet you can take. A white paper. Okay, all these things you required and some more are also left over. I will write it here. Pencil. Pencil. Next, a peeled banana means you have to remove the peel of the banana. An apple. You have to bring one apple. The next one, tomato. You have to bring one tomato. You should have this to complete it. Last one, newspaper. What is it? Newspaper. Is it? Once again I am repeating and I will show it for you. For the simple experiment, you have to calculate how much of amount of water in the fruits and vegetables. For the simple experiment, you need a weighing balance. Okay, first one, weighing balance. This is the digital weighing balance I am showing for you. This is the digital weighing balance. Okay. Everyone, can you see? Okay. The next one. What is the next one? Knife. You have to keep with this. Knife. And next, cutting board. Next, a thin cloth. You can take kerchief also, no problem. Okay. And next one, white paper. You have to take white paper. The next one, pencil. You have to take pencil. Pencil. Okay. Next, you have to take peeled banana. I am showing the banana. When I am doing taking the weight, then I will peel it. You have to take one banana. Okay. Next one, an apple. You have to take one apple. And one more. You have to take ninth one, tomato. Okay. The last one, Newspaper. Are you ready with these things? If you are not ready, please note down this. Later you can do. Okay. Now I will do the experiment. You have to say it. Okay. Take your companion book, everyone. See here. What you have to do, they have given here a white sheet of a paper in 3 parts as shown in the figure A. This paper is your sample paper. You can take this white paper and you can divide like this. You can write apple, banana, tomato. You can write. I am writing here. You can note down this. I have done like this. Okay. Can you see? Everyone? It's there in your book also. Okay. Now, see here. Everyone, use the help of your adult. Take the help of your parents. Then only do this experiment. Okay, because knife is there, weighing balance is there. It should be very careful. Okay. And the next one, you have to take the weight of 3 samples. 3 samples means what we have taken here? A peeled banana, an apple and tomato. 3 things you have taken or not? You have taken 3 things here to find out an apple, tomato and banana. You have taken 3 samples. Okay. Now here note down the weight of the first column of the observation of in the table. They have given here one more. I will write down on this board. Then you can note down it. First I will take the weights. Okay. Everyone be ready. For 5 minutes I will write the table on the board, then I can note down you can note down that weight. What is the actual weight of an apple completely and tomato also. First I will write the tabular form on the board. Take your notebooks everyone. Please note down them. First one, samples. Means what we have taken, those we can call samples. Means what we have taken here. Which items we are taking here to weight? See the weight. Apple, banana, tomato. Next. Next one. What we have taken, I am writing here. Apple, banana. And next one. Tomato. You have taken these 3 samples, isn't it? Next, what we are going to do now, weight before drying. Before drying means, what is the meaning of before drying? What is the meaning of before drying? Means they are fresh. They are fresh. Okay. The next one, you have to note down here, weight after drying means later, means after the drying what is the weight, that you have to write it here. Okay. Weight after drying. Next one, last one, you have to note down here, differences in weight. We will get it. This is the last. Then we can complete this experiment. This is the tabular form. Please note down everyone in your notebook. Everyone. Are you ready? Okay. Myself. I am also ready. Okay. Now, I want to show it. Can you see? Weighing balance. Can you see or not? Okay. Now, first sample. What is the first sample? Here, apple. What is the first sample here? Apple. I am keeping here. You can see. Is it? What is the weight? $128.46. Mostly it is getting the grams. I want to see it. Later I will show to you. It is getting 128 grams. Mostly 128.50 grams. It is a 50. 50. Okay. Can you see? I will show the reading itself for you nearly. Green color. It is changing the reading or not? But mostly it is having. I will write on the board. You can note down it. Okay. The next one. First sample. It is a fresh. You can see it is fresh or not? Isn't it? It is fresh. Now, next one. Banana. But here they have asked to peel. Peel and we have to take the weight. This is the banana. We have to peel it. Okay? I am keeping here. Now, see the weight, 93.41 grams. It is getting 93.41 grams. I am writing here, see here. In which column I am writing? Is it before drying? Keep it in your mind, everyone. Okay. Next, what is the next sample? Third sample. What is the next sample? Tomato. I am taking this, keeping. Tomato, I am keeping this. You have to check the weight. What is the weight? 56.86 grams. 56.86 grams. Okay, this is when they are fresh. We have taken here the weights. When you are doing, you have to write the experiments in this column. Okay. Can you see this? Everyone, the first column. Write down. Myself, I am writing.
Take some time to do this.
4 days. 4 days. See here, I have written here I have noted down the weight. Can you see? Okay. Now we can continue our experiment. I want to take all these things. Now they have asked 3 samples for you, isn't it? Now I want to cut them. Means we have to dry it. If you are keeping these fresh fruits directly in the sun, can it dry? No. Now I want to cut it and I will keep it in the sun for 4 days. Okay. Then after it will dry, isn't it? Now I will cut them, you can see. I've taken a newspaper here. You can see. First sample, what's that we have taken? Here. Apple, isn't it? See here, we should not lose any piece also. Any piece you should not lose. You have to cut it. You have to cut like this. Several pieces and you should not lose any single piece also. Keep it in your mind and be careful. You have to do with this experiment with your help of your parents only. With the help of your parents only. Don't do it directly. Okay. I'm cutting the apple. You can see. If I keep this for 4 days outside, what will happen? In the next class, we can check it what will happen. Okay, first I am doing this. See. Is it? These are the apple pieces. I am keeping aside. Okay. Now you have to take one more paper. Keep it here and next sample, banana. Okay, you have to cut it. I am cutting, see how I am cutting. You have to cut like that only. With the help of your parent, you should do. And one more thing, you should not lose any piece also. Then the weight will be changed now. You have to do this like this. And one more sample. What is the one more sample? Tomato. Next one, see. Again and again I am telling, be careful while cutting. Okay. 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 Now I have completed for cutting. See here everyone, here. I will arrange it and I will show you for you. Here, you have to keep all the banana pieces also in one place. Here, apple pieces. In one place, why I am keeping? See here, these are the tomatoes, these are the banana pieces, and these are all apple pieces. You should not miss out any piece also. Then the weight will be changes. Okay. Keep it in your mind. And one more thing, now you have to do this. You have to keep like this. In your book you can check it here, see here. Several pieces of newspaper in a place that receives directly sunlight. You have to keep this in directly sunlight. Okay, now you have to keep all these things directly in the sunlight. There is the sample on the newspaper. Actually all that place, all the pieces, your fruits and vegetables in the market area. Already we have done this. Isn't it? Which piece we don't know now after drying? You have to keep like this. Then you can know this. This is the apple. This is the apple, this is the banana, and this is the tomato. You have to keep your samples right here and you have to place it like this. Okay, everyone, did you understand? See here, you have to see like this. I have keep an apple pieces here, banana pieces here, tomato pieces here, isn't it? You can see, and you have to keep it directly in the sunlight. And you have to place a kerchief or a piece cloth, isn't it? Because not to take any insects or that birds on it, like this. You have to wear it. Means by this, you can tell that here they have given cover your sample with a cloth so that the insects and birds do not feed on them. If you are keeping directly in the sunlight, so many insects and birds you can see outside. Isn't it? They will take one piece like that. Then you will get that weight loss or not. So you can't get the correct weight. So you have to keep your kerchief cloth like this. Till now, did you understand everyone? Okay. On the 5th day, you have to keep these things. How many days? Outside you have to keep like this. 4 days. On the 5th day, you have to take again the weight. Again the weight. Then you have to write in the second column your observation. Okay, children, did you understand? Till now, did you understand? Everyone? I will tell you again, you have to take weighing balance and you have to take 3 samples. Okay, 3 samples means apple, banana, tomato, all these things you have to bring, knife, everything, and you have to do the experiment. Means already have done like this, now you should also do like this, and you have to keep everything like this and you have to keep it in the sun. Okay, did you note down that? Actually, did you note all these things? Did you? After the 5th day, when we can continue this experiment, means these should be dry in the sunlight or not. In the 5th day, again I will do this same experiment. I will take the weight of drying. Weight of drying. This is after drying. After drying. This is before drying. Means now. Here after drying, we can note down here, then we can calculate the difference in the weight. Okay, children? Okay, in the next class, I will continue this experiment. Thank you, children.